What I feel is that brown keeps everything to a very soft, muted touch. Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. How is everyone doing? If you're new to my channel, my name is Ayesha and my channel is all about makeup. And if I sound a bit rough, raw, that is because I am a bit under the weather. This week was not easy for me as I caught the cold, the seasonal flu. And though I'm recovering now, bit better than before. So now, since I'm feeling a bit better, I thought why not shoot the next video. So I asked on my channel, what do you want to see next? More than 75% people voted for brown and pink. The combination I want to play with, and I'm sure it will be beautiful. So in this video, I am not only going to show you one look, means the daytime look. I'm also going to show you how to switch the daytime look to a night out makeup. So keep watching this video. So now I'm done with my eyebrows and eyeshadow base off camera. The first look that I'm going to show you, you can do it very easily even if you're a beginner. It's that simple. For the first look, the shades that I'm using are, the first palette that I'm using is from Makeup Revolution. It's actually Revolution RELOVE. And the colors that I'm using are, the first color is this. The second color I am choosing from this palette, which is this. And I am using the third color, which is this. These are the three colors that I'm using. The next step, which I'm doing, is totally optional. If you have time, you can do it. If you don't have time, just skip it and just move directly to the eyeshadows. For this, the day makeup, I'm not using a brush. I'm just using my fingers and darkest shadow that I showed you. This one. Putting it here. And that's it. From the Revolutionary Love palette, I'm taking this shade and I'm placing it in the corner. Okay, that's it. Done. Now the last shade that I showed you is this. I'm placing it in the center. Now since this look is a daytime look and I don't want to overdo with the liner, I'm using the same brown eyeshadow to tightline my waterline. And mind you, I am just tightlining. I am not like drawing a wing liner or anything, just tightlining my upper waterline. And that's it. So I'm done with both the sides. Now let me just quickly add foundation to my face and I'll be right. Before I start with the foundation, there is one mistake that I forgot to tell you about. When blending with fingers, this is a very common mistake. Eyeshadow tend to fall, especially in this corner. So what you can do is take a Q-tip and remove whatever has fallen on this spot. Can you see it's clean now? I have sort of kind of removed the concealer from here, but I will reapply it while doing the foundation. So I'll be right back. I'll be keeping the rest of the makeup products to a minimum as well. So what I like to do is I like to contour my jawline. So I'm taking this bronzer, dabbing gently and just applying a little bit to my jaw area. And a little to my forehead. Whatever is left on the brush, I am just adding it to my cheeks. I want to keep the blush to a minimum as well, so I'm using the SHEGLAM palette and I'm using this blush on shade right here. For the under eye, again, I want to keep it very simple, so I'm taking this dark brown shade right here and adding it to the lower waterline, but not till the very end. Brown shade, I feel, is the best for any daytime makeup looks. Okay, so now I want to add something to my waterline. So I am taking this eye brightening pencil. It's from Essence and just it'll give me a very brightening look. Let me show you. See the difference? How mascara is next. I'm adding this mascara. It's a false lashes mascara by Essence and I love this mascara because one coat of this mascara is enough to give me the volume that I want and the length I want for my lashes. Now I'm done with the eye look. Just one step is left, that is highlighting. So I'm highlighting the inner corner and the brow bone. I'm not overdoing the highlight, I'm just keeping it to a very bare minimum. Now the lipstick. I want to keep lipstick very nice, very pinky, but not very dark. So this is the lip shade I am pairing this look up with. Now the lipstick. This look is perfect for any day event, whether it is your workplace, whether it is a friend's party, a lunch, a brunch, you can wear it. Now, moving on to the night look. Okay, I'm taking off the earrings. Imagine you're at your workplace or you're out with your friends and it has gotten late and you have to get ready for the next party, which is at night. You don't have time to remove the entire face of makeup. So let me tell you how you can up this look from daytime to a full blown nighttime glam look. Now I'm taking the SHEGLAM palette. The colors I'm adding to this look, let me show you. These are the 3 shades I'm adding to this look. This is going to change your life after you see what I am going to do with this look. This comes with a brush, so I'm using the same brush. Taking the fluffy side of this brush and this shadow right here. And I am placing it here. Now the dark shade that I showed you, I'm taking the flat side of this brush and I'm taking this shade right here. And I'm placing it in the inner corner where I placed the matte pink shade. So here. I'm building the shade up a bit because I want the metallic to shine. Now this you have to do it because you don't want the shades to merge into each other. You want to keep the shades separate. So clean the brush. If you can keep a brush cleaner in your bag, that will be perfect. But otherwise you can just use a tissue. Remove the excess, whatever excess is on this. Taking the flat side again. This right here. Placing it on the outer corner, not the extreme outer corner, but where the lightest shade meets the darkest shade. Just blend it. Now this is totally up to you, but if you want, you can add glitter to this look as well. I'm taking this color right here and I'm placing it to the center of the lid. Look, I told you that brown can look so perfect for any daytime look. But the one color that you can add to amplify the daytime look to a full glam night look is, my friends, black. You don't have to remove the brown. Just add black liner as you normally do. I'm done with this side. Now for the under eyes. Dark brown eyeshadow with the flat side. This is the flat side. And apply it under your eyes. And smoke it out. Once this is smoked out, take the next shade, which was the lightest shade, and place it to the inner corner. Before we added a nude pencil, now add black. Another coat of mascara. Now add more blush on. Before I took this, for the daytime look, I took this one. Now for the nighttime look, I'm taking this blush on shade. The finishing powder. And clean all the edges. I am just adding a bit more bronzer. I'm not going light-handed now. Onto my forehead. Mixing it with my blush on. And I'm done. Now let's just clean everything up. I'm removing the lipstick because I want to add a darker shade. So before I add the lipstick, I want to add light to this look. So I'm adding the highlighter. Adding more to the inner corner. Brow bone. I'm adding these shades for the lipstick. If you want to know what shades they are, they're in the description box below. Outlining with this lip liner. Adding this lipstick. Now, this, my friends, is a lipstick that would not budge anywhere. I swear. It will not go anywhere. It is such a pretty shade. Plus, it's transfer proof. I'm topping this lipstick up with this metallic lipstick. So this is my final look. I went from a very simple, muted, pink brown, everyday makeup look to a full blown, dramatic, over the top, bold pink and brown makeup look. Which one was your favorite? The simple look or this one? The over the top, bold and dramatic look? Do write in the comments. I would love to know. And if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more such content. I'll be seeing you in my next video, and hopefully by the time I actually film my next video, I'll be feeling much, much better. So this is all from my side for now. Take care of yourself. Bye.